Hi all, Pawan this side from Aussie's Group PT Tutorials. Here we are again sharing the success story of one of our client, Mohit Vohra. Congratulations, Mohit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Mohit's desired score was 65, but then he has got 69 with the help of PT Tutorials online coaching, and he had took a coaching with Shruti ma'am. So many congratulations again.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
all right, Mohit. So I would just like you to give your introduction, please.
Yes. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mohit. I'm pursuing my bachelor's in cybersecurity from Chandigarh University, and I had planned for masters in cybersecurity. So, firstly, I just prepared by myself for the PT, and just I got scored with only 61. And so, after further moving to it, I just took the coaching from Shruti ma'am, as I even was saying, like she's teaching well. So this time after 15-day coaching, I just went again to the coaching center and I given the exam and I scored 69.
Perfect. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Uh,
thank
all
you.
right, Mohit. Can you just let us know how was your experience? I mean, experience with coaching, with Telegram platform.
Yeah, the coaching was like when I started with it, I was little bit worried about how it will be going to went and everything. The day I joined it, I never felt that it will be going to an online coaching because everyone, the Shruti ma'am, the participants, and all the students having the separate group, and they can even share their queries. They can even have submit their questions, can submit their audios, and you will always get an answer from the Shruti ma'am, even like a 30 minutes or like a 20 minutes. You don't need to wait for a whole day or like for a whole while to get a response for your answers and everything. Even though if you are attending the coaching, you can even ask some questions. It's all about an interactive session where the like teacher and the students all are majorly discussing about something topic is going on. You can even ask questions and she will be ready to help you with a very good answer. Like if she has something that special tricks they use, like they're using some special tricks and techniques so that you will not be getting worried during exam time. So you can quickly grab the scores and tricky points. Uh,
Okay, so perfect. Like, I mean, many students, those who are, planning and maybe overthinking something, right? Whether they will achieve their score or not. Here, you've got the perfect example in front of you, Mohit. He is, a hardworking student, right? He asked every questions in a Telegram group, followed every strategies, and now there he is. He's achieved his desired score, and we all are happy. All right. How would you recommend, a one tip, a one success mantra to the new aspirants?
yeah, I will for sure recommend. Like later, if I tell you about 1 month before, I was also planning to join PT tutorials for my coaching. I used to join a group of like 50,000 people. 15,000 people are over there. It's a family. The PT tutorials families over there. Daily you will get 100 report cards. Over there, I just texted one person and I experienced his views about how the shooting map is going to teach you. Like he uses a very simpler word. You don't need to score by hard working, but the smart work is in the hands of Shruti ma'am. You need to work smartly because it's all about the computer exam. You should aware of the tricks, how the computer is going to access you. Because if the day you will know, even though there are many coaching centers who are teaching you like just go these, learn templates, everything. You don't need to learn everything. Like you should be a tricky. Don't make yourself a tricky even. If you're going to some patterns like learning a whole templates, you should know the tricks. Like working a little bit, how you can achieve the success.
Perfect. Like we
Yeah.
are very glad, that we could help someone to live their dreams. And there you go. Also, yes, in future, if you, need any help, any assistance, or anyone need any help, any assistance, below is the mentioned link, right? You can join us. You can be a part of Telegram family. You can join us, the PD tutorials, and get ahead, get on board towards success, like Mohit did. Again, congratulations, Mohit. We are also
Yeah.
happy.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. So, guys, yes, here was a quick and short video testimonial of one of our clients, right? Kindly join us and be a part of us and be a part of success. Have a great day all.